Today we are going to start solve this paper of Cambridge IGCSE with the paper code of 0580, paper 4 variant 2. It is calculator paper and extended over there. It is May-June 2025 and 2 hours time is required for this paper over there. And if I talk about it, I will say here geometrical instruments are allowed and total 100 marks are available for this paper over there. Let's move to question number 1 over there. These are the formulas which will be given as an insert for this paper for helping to students over there. A quadrilateral that has these properties. Quadrilateral is that which has 4 sides over there. 4 sides, if they have, then they are called quadrilateral, has these properties. The diagonal are the only one line of symmetry. They have only lines of symmetry as their diagonals. Okay, it has the rotational symmetry of other 2 over there. Okay, then this figure, first of all, it is quadrilateral, just like quadrilateral with one line of symmetry across its diagonal, or this can also be one line of symmetry over there. And its order of rotation is, first of all, it is rotating at this position, then it is rotating at this position. Then it means 2 steps are there to make the exact images of the picture over there. Then this type of quadrilateral is called rhombus. And it is having all 4 sides equal, 4 sides equal in length, just like a square, but no angle of 90-degree angle over there, just like a square over there. So this was our question number 1. Go to question number 2 over there. Okay, the diagram shows a net, okay, and of a solid. Write down the mathematical name of the solid. If I fold this one with this one, and then I fold this triangle with this triangle on left side, on right side, and these 2 edges also, then this length is going to match here, this length is going to match here, this length is going to match here, and this length is going to match here. So it is triangular prism over there. It is triangular prism, which we also use in physics lab over there for doing the refraction experiments over there, or angle of deviation, and going to go for critical angle of deviation are being taken in physics over there. Let's move to question number 3 over there. Here he is saying that mass of box A and mass of box B are in the ratio 4:7 over there. It means 4/7 is equal to the mass of box B is 2.4 kg more than box A. So box A was 4. Here I say, let's suppose it is X, and below will be X plus 2.4. This is the linear equation which I have made. I'm just multiplying it. 7x is equal to 4x plus 4 for the 16 point. Wait a second, I get a calculator there. And let's do this questions over here. So it is being taken in the form of, I'm taking it up, all right. Okay, let's move to this 4 multiplied 2.4, that is 9.6, like that. Later on, if we use the calculator, it's fine. It is 3x is equal to 9.6. Why I take 4x is going to subtract on that side. So x is equal to 9.6 over 3. That will be 2.33 the 9, 3.2. So that is X, that is the mass of box A. So that is 3.2 kg. And after that, 2.4 should be added into this to get the mass of box B, 2.4. Then it will be 5.6 over there as the mass of object B over there. Okay. ABCD is a trapezium. Find the area of the trapezium. And area of trapezium has the formula as 1 by 2 into height into sum of parallel sides over there. So it is 1 by 2 into height is 8 into sum of parallel sides 10 plus 12. 10 plus 12 over there. So it is 10 plus 12 is there. So it is 22 into 4. 4 times 22 will make it 88 over there. That will be 88 centimeters square over there. After that, he is saying Scott changes $300 into pounds. And he is saying that the exchange rate is 1 pound for $1.20. Okay, calculate the amount Scott receives over there. So in that case, I will say here he is getting this value by dividing this value of dollar to get it into pound over there. So 300 divided by 1.2. Let's check how much it is. 300 divided by 1.2 over there. So I'm getting 250. 250 over there. So why I divided it? Because this is pound is lesser. So I just divided by that rate to get the value for the pounds over there. This is currency exchange question over there, which will be included into the syllabus over there. A solid wooden cone has a base of radius 4 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. The density of this is this. Calculate the mass over there. So you have height, you have wooden cone over there. So we know the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h is for volume. And if I need mass over there, because he is saying calculate the mass of the cone. Mass is here means density should be multiplied with it. Density density is giving me mass over there. So 1 by 3 into pi into r is 4 square into h is 12 into density is 0.74 over there. Let's go for it. First of all, fraction introduced. 1 over 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by 4 square multiplied by 12 multiplied by 0.74 equals to this equals to 148. 148. Mass will be taken in grams over there. So I'm rounding it off 148 grams for this. Here he is saying y is equal to mx plus c. For question number 7, he is saying rearrange the formula to make m the subject over there. Okay. So c is being added on the right side. I'm taking to left side. Y minus c is equal to mx. M is equal to y minus c over x. Y minus c over x over there. After that, now he is saying calculate this. Okay, we can simply use the calculator for doing this. Okay, I'm using the calculator over here. Then it is 2.1 square minus, wait, I introduced that fraction over here that so that I can get the exact answer. 2.1 square minus 1.9 divided by 0.5. How much the value is? This value is 5.02. 5.02. 5.02 over there. Okay, now he is saying solve the simultaneous equation. You must show all the working. Okay, here we can say y should be multiplied with to equate these variables is easy because this 3y is going to help over there. So I'm multiplying this equation number 2 with the 3 over there. Then I get the new equation 3 the 9w and 9w plus 3y is equal to 33. Right now, write this equation above. 9w plus 3y is equal to 33 and add the other equation. 2w minus 3y is equal to 11. What will happen? That I am going to just add both of them. Then it is going to cancel out because plus 3y minus 3y equal to 0. 9w, 2w, 11w is equal to 44. W is equal to 4 over there. By putting this into this equation for w to get y over there. So 2 into 4 minus 3y is equal to 11. I'm taking this 3y on this side. 8 minus 11 is equal to 3y. Y is equal to minus 3 over 3 will equal to minus 1. So y equal to minus 1 over there. So it is 4 and minus 1 are the answers over there. A group of adults and 9 children travel on a bus. The cost of an adult ticket is $N. The cost of child is N minus $10. The total cost of the tickets is $277. Okay. Find the cost of one adult ticket over there. All right. So I can say $N is cost for 12 adults over there. So 12N plus should be added over there with 9 children, and that is N minus 10. Both the sum has been taken as the total cost is equal to 277.50. Let's arrange this. So it is 12N plus 9N minus 90 is equal to 277.50. 12 plus 9 is 21N is equal to 277.5 plus 90, and later on N is equal to 277.5 plus 90 over 21. Let's check what is the answer over there. So for this purpose, I am introducing the fraction over here. 277.5 plus 90 divided by 21 equals to, this equals to 17.5. N is equal to $17.5. And here he said N dollars is the adult cost. And here he is asking cost for one ticket of an adult. So it is 17.5 over there. Okay, in the next question, he is saying in a sale, the original price of a shirt is reduced by 15%. The sale price of the shirt is 23.63. Find the original price. It means it is, I can say 85% value. So I can say here that it should be taken as, I will have to go for original value over there. Then I will say, let's suppose the original price is X and I am multiplying it. 100 minus 15 is 85 over 100. Then I will say it is equal to 85% value is remaining over there now. So for this, I'm equating it equal to 23.63. Then X is equal to 23.63 multiplied by 100 divided by 85. Let's go for it. Here he is saying fraction introduced. Okay. 23.63 multiplied by 100 divided by 85 equals to this, equals to 27.8. Okay, it should be greater. $27.8 will be the cost of that original price over there. After that, he is saying the length of a rectangle is 16 centimeter, correct to nearest centimeter. It means will be the 0.5 should be added or subtracted. The width of a rectangle is 14 centimeter, correct to nearest centimeter. So 14 centimeters should also be added or subtracted depending upon lower bound or upper bound over there. So it will be 0.5 plus minus in the form of centimeter over there. So for this one, I will say here that he is saying calculate the lower bound of the perimeter of rectangle. We know that perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth over there. So it is 2 into length is directly proportional over there. So I will have to go for lower bound. So I will take lower bound of this length. I will take for lower bound of this width over there. So it is 15.5 plus 13.5. If I say 13 and 15 is 28, 129 into 2, which is equal to 58 over there. Okay. Yeah, this is number 13 question where he is saying that 9, 12, 16, okay, this angle is also equal. This is 6. Means these two are similar triangles over there. Okay. Here he is saying calculate the length of PR. Means I have to calculate this length. And for this purpose, I will simply say here, I have this length 9, this length 6. I have this length 12, this length, let's suppose X over there. So I am taking here 9 over 6, 9 over 6 as corresponding side is equal to 12 over, if I say X, it's fine. If I say PR, because here I need PR over there. So I'm saying PR. What will happen? It will come up 12 multiplied 6. PR is equal to 12 multiplied 6 over 9. 3, 3 the 9, 3, 2 the 6, 3, 1 the 3, 3, 4 the 12. So PR is equal to 8 centimeters. After that, has done, okay, he is taking here the volume ratios over there. He is saying ABC and PQR are the cross sections of two prisms. These prisms are mathematically similar. The volume of the smaller prism is 1120 cm cube. Okay, so I am taking here the ratio for the whole volume, which should be taken over there. I can say that it is going towards it's 1120 as volume. 1120 is volume of smaller one. Let's suppose I take the sides to be taken as 6 and 9. I'm taking 6 over 9. These are the corresponding sides over there. If you observe here, if this is 9, this is 6. And for volume, we know the formula of the ratio is for volume, V1 over V2 is equal to L1 cube over L2 cube. Here I am saying 6 cube over 9 cube is equal to 6 is smaller volume, that is 1120 over, I can say here, volume V2, let's suppose for the larger one over there. So take it, V2 is equal to 1120 multiply 9 cube over 6 cube. So it should be written as a fraction introduced 1120 multiply 9 cube divided by 6 cube. So it is equal to 3780. 3780 is the volume over there. Let's go for factorization here. Okay, here it is AX. I'm joining the X over there, like 5X minus AX. I have joined the X values over here. And then I am also joining the A values. AX is being taken plus 2A minus 10 over there. Let's go with it. So I'm taking X as common. It is 5 minus A. And take this one also like minus 10 plus 2A like that. Now go for common over there. X into 5 minus A minus 2 is common. Then it is 5 minus 2A. Means I have changed the signs over there. 5 minus A into X minus 2. 5 minus A into X minus 2 over there. Okay, this is the 15 question number. The interior angle of regular polygon is 172. Find the number of sides. Okay, then we can say number of sides I want to calculate, and then the interior angle of regular polygon. Okay, the interior angle formula is equal to n minus 2 multiply 180 over n. So from here, if I arrange all of this, he told me that it is 172. 172 and n is going to multiply with it is equal to 180 n minus 2 into 180 is 360. Take this 360 on this side and 172 on that side. So it will be 180 minus 172 into n is equal to 360. Then it is equal to 180 minus 172 is 8. N is equal to 360, which implies that n is equal to 360 over 8. 8 for the 32. 8 for the 32. Okay, 360 divided by 8 is asan over there. 360. So 360 divided by 8 will equal to 45. So this is the value 45 over there. Means 45 sides are carried by that regular polygon over there. 45 sides over there are available. One day, on any day, the probability that the weather will be sunny is 0.7. Find the probability that on any day, the weather will not be sunny. So that will be total probability, as we know that the total probability is 1. So 1 minus 0.7, we will get 0.3 over there. This is the probability that weather on any day will not be sunny over there. Now he is saying when the weather is sunny, is 0.3. The probability that the Rohit goes for a walk is 0.9. And when the weather is not sunny, the probability that the Rohit will goes for walk is 0.2. Find the probability that on any day Rohit goes for walk. So there are basically two probabilities when weather is sunny. When weather is sunny is 0.7. When he goes for walk is 0.9. Not sunny 0.3 and 0.2 is taken. So both probabilities should be multiplied, and then we can say they will also be added because this is R over there and these two and is being taken with the help of these conditions when and goes for walk and when and does not go for walk. So I'm just multiplying them 0.7 multiply 0.9 plus 0.3 into 0.2 over there. So if I go for it, 0.7 into 0.9, 0.63 plus 0.06, then it will be 0.69. Simply, I'm just doing these by simple multiplication over there. 69 times 63, after decimal, there are two digits, 0.63. 3 to the 6, after digit, there are two decimals after there are two decimals, and two digits are being taken into account. 6 into 3, 0.69 should be taken for this question over there. Let's go to the next one over there. Alex invests $400 at the rate of 2.3% per year, simple interest. Find the amount. Okay, for simple interest, we know the formula. I is equal to PRT over 100. So P is the premium, which is invested in the form of $400 over there. Rate is 2.3 and time is 5 years divided by 100. Let's go for calculation a little bit over there. 400 multiply 2.3 multiply 5 divided by 100. So it is equal to 46. So these are the dollars which he will get in the form of that is equal to $46. Now he is saying find the total amount Alex has at the end of 5 years. So 400 is original and 46, this will be added. You will get 446 over there. Now he is saying over here that Virat has $100 to spend. In February, he spends X dollar. In March, he spends 10% more than he spent in February. In March, he spends 10% more. And at the end, Virat has 33.80 remaining amount. Find the value of X. It means it is just like a compound interest over there. And this compound interest should be taken in the form of the complete way over there, where we can say here. So according to compound interest, we know the formula is should be taken in the form of, for example, if I take all of this, then I say I am adding all of these spendings one by one, like that is X plus, then it is, if it is 10% more should be added to 100% like that. And originally I say it is 1% according to probability also. Now he is adding 10% over there, then it will be 110. It will be 1.1x plus. Now he is saying he is spending 10% more. According to compound interest, it will be 1.1 square with the X. So original amount is going to be going on, and which he has spent all to all is being taken as, I will say here, 100 minus 33. 100 was total and 33 is pending, 0.80. So I will have to calculate X here. I will say here that how much it is giving me value. That is 1.1 square, 1.1 square, 1.1 square plus 1.1 plus 1. So it is equal to this. It is equal to 3.31. So it is 3.31x, which is equal to 100 minus 33.80. 100 minus 33.80 is equal to this, is equal to 66.2. So it is 66.2. Go for it. It's the VN over there. Divided by 3.31, which is equal to 20. So X is equal to 20. So X is the amount which he has spent in February is $20. All right, let's move to the part next. Next question, or maybe next part. Next part is there. Bobby invests $500 in an account that pays compound interest each year. At the end of 17 years, the value of Bobby's investment is 713. What? Find the rate. Okay, investment for end of the 20 years over there. Okay, each year and at the end of 17 years, he has 713. It means we will have to go for it and then we will calculate that how much amount he will have according to this point of view. The formula is, I will say for compound interest, I is equal to 500 into premium into 1 plus a rate is being calculated first by using this formula over there. A rate should be calculated by 713. Okay, I will have to take 500 into 1 plus uh, R over 100 whole power 17. First, I'm taking to calculate this rate over there. So interest, which I have got over there, 500 plus 713 over there. So it is 1200.13. 1200.13 divided by 500 cube root power 17. Sorry, square root power 1 by 17, like that on both sides. Then I will add it by 1 also, and plus minus 1 should be taken there, and then minus 1 is done. Then I will multiply it by 100 over there. Then it will give me a rate over there. Let's check what he is getting over there. The value which he is getting over here is 100 multiply bracket start fraction introduced with the help of cube root. No, I should not take this. Cube root, this one. This 3, I want to add it. I'm taking it 17. And in the fraction, which I am getting here as a fraction introduced, and that is 1213.13 divided by 500 minus 1, bracket should be closed, equals to 5.29. So it is 5.29 is the rate. Now for getting my total interest over there, now I'm getting it 500 into 1 plus 5.29 over 100. At the end of 20 years, he's asking me take the power 20 over there. So let's go for simplification over there. Okay. Let's take it. Go for simplification here. That is 500 bracket start 1 plus fraction introduced 5.29 over 100. 5.29 divided by 100. Bracket close. Whole power 20 equals to 1401. 1401. 1401. 1401 over there. $1401. So find the value of Bobby's investment at the end of 20 years. Bobby's investment at the 20 years will be 1401, and his total amount is going on from 500 to this value over there. Okay. This was our complete circulating for this part over there. Let's move to the next over there. Okay, that here it is circle properties question. He is saying find for X, Y, and Z. All right, let's look how we can calculate that. So X is present here. X is present here. Okay. And the value which we need according to X, if I say E X, let's suppose I say it is D. ETC, it is a triangle. X 125, 126. If I subtract it from 180, I will get X over there. Let's go for X over here. Okay. For X over here, I will say, what should I say here? That it is 180. 180 minus 125 minus 26 equals to 29. So it is 29 for X. Let's look for Y over there. Y is this. Y is this. So starting and ending point of AB for making 52 here and Y here, both are in the same segment of the circle. So Y is equal to 52 over there. Let's look for Z over there. Okay, Z. Z should be taken in the form of quadrilateral over there. If it is 52, Y is this, X is this, then I can get this angle. This angle will be equal to this angle of the same segment of E and C. But for that, I will need to calculate this answer first, that my X is 29, my Y is 52. If I subtract 52, 29, and this 26, then I will get this angle, which I will equate of the same segment angle to this angle. Then I know according to quadrilateral EDCB, all the vertices are lying on the on the quadrilateral, lying on the circle over there. Then opposite angle sum is equal to 180. Then I will subtract this angle to get my Z over there. So first of all, I am saying here 180 minus 26 minus 29 minus 29 minus 52 equals to 27. No, it should be 180. It should be 180. 180 equal to 73. So this angle is 73 degree. Then this angle will also 73. Then I will subtract 180 minus 73 to get my Z over there. 180 minus 73. So 180 minus answer equal to 107. So while Z is equal to 107. I think you have got this concept behind all of these values over there. Okay, now he is going towards functions question over there. He is saying calculate f of minus 3. So f of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 plus 1, which is equal to minus 2 over there. G of x is this. Find the range of g of x. If this is a domain, find the range over there. When I put minus 3 in the g, what will be my range? So g of minus 3 is equal to 5 into 5 minus 2 into minus 3. Then it is 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. After that, when I put a 0, then I will get 5. G of 0 is equal to 5 minus 2 into 0 will give me 5 over there. When I go for f of 2, then I will say it is equal to 5 minus 2 into 2, which will equal to 2 I will have to put now. So 2 into 2, 4, it is equal to 1 over there. So this is the range values, that is 11, 5, and 1 should be written over there in the form of range. H of x is equal to 1 by 32. So h is 2 power x. 2 power x is equal to 1 over 32. According to 32, we know that 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 1 over 2 power 5. So we can say 2 power x is equal to 2 power minus 5. So it x 2 is equal to 2x is equal to minus 5 over there. After that, h inverse of x is equal to 3. So we will have to go for h inverse of x. H of x is equal to 2 power x. H of x is equal to 2 power x. Let's suppose go for it, how to calculate it. First of all, take it equal to y is equal to 2 power x. From here, if I want to make x as a subject over there, then I will say take ln y is equal to ln 2 power x. According to logarithm, take it x ln 2. So x is equal to ln y over ln 2 over there is equal to x. So this is your f inverse y. F inverse y is equal to ln y over ln 2. So this is your f inverse x. Yeah, h inverse of x is equal to ln x over 2 ln 2. From here, when I take this, as he said, this is equal to 3, is equal to 3. When I simplify it, then I will say ln 2 multiply ln 2 multiply by 3 is equal to ln x. From here, I can take it log x to the base e is equal to ln 2 multiply 3. ln 2 multiply 3 equals to 2.07. So 2.07. So x, according to logarithmic to exponential function, x is equal to e power 2.07, e power 2.07. E power 2.07, which is equal to 7.92, which is equal to 7.92, approximately equal to 8. So this is the value, how to calculate it for 2 marks. I took the long way, but it is easy if you have done the add method of there. Now he is saying the diagram shows a quadrilateral ABCD, okay? 10 centimeter given this. Calculate the length AB. AB, I need this. It means I have one angle, adjacent side and opposite side I want to calculate. Simply I use tan theta, tan 34 is equal to AB over 12. So AB is equal to 12 multiplied tan 34. 12 multiplied tan 34. 12 multiplied tan 12 multiplied tan 34 bracket close equals to 8.09, 8.1. So AB is 8.1 there. In part B, he is asking calculate the area of quadrilateral. Okay. So I will have to take this area and this area also. This area will be given as 1 by 2 into 10 into 12 into sine 56. I am using the formula 1 by 2 AB sine C for triangle DCB. I have used this. 2, 5 the 10, 12, 5 the 60 sine 56. 60 multiply sine 56 bracket close equals to 49.74 should be added by 1 by 2 into 12 into 8.1 means 6 multiply 8.1. 6 multiply 8.1 equals to this equals to 48.6. 48.6 should be added 49.74. 49.74. 49.74 equal to this equal to 98.34. So it is equal to 8.1. It is equal to 98.3. It was 98.3. In the last of this question, calculate the perimeter of the quadrilateral. Okay, I have all the sides. Only the side D is pending over there. So I will use law of cosine for that side and then I will add all of these. I also need the hypotenuse AD also over there. So I will have to go for 12 square plus 8.1 square root. 12 square plus 8.1 square root. That will be one side. Let's suppose I take it x over there. And according to law of cosine, I am taking what? I am taking here 10, 12, or 56. And the root of 10 square plus 12 square minus 2 into 10 into 12 into cos 56. Let's suppose it is unknown side y over there. Let's go for getting these values. So it is square root introduced. 12 square plus 8.1 square equals to 14.47. 14, it is 14.47. After that, 10 square plus 12 square. Square root introduced. 10 square plus 12 square minus 2 into 10 into 12 into cos 56. which is equal to 10.47. 10.47, and remaining all other values are 10.47, 10 and 8.1. 10 and 8.1. I am adding this, and this. So let's go for it. 10.47 is already written over there, plus 14.47 plus 10 plus 8.1 equals to 43.05. 43.05. Okay. Calculate the shortest distance from B to the line AD. B to the line AD. B to the line AD. Okay. I will have to draw a perpendicular over here. I have this angle 34 and 12. So it means I will use perpendicular and hypotenuse and angle. So sine 34 is equal to x over 12. Sine 34 is equal to sine 34 is equal to x over 12. X is equal to 12 sine 34. 12 sine 34. 12 sine multiply sine 34 equals to 6.71. After that, he is saying simplifying it. Okay, that's easy one question. 3, 5, the 15, and t base m power z, 5 plus 3. It is 15 t power 8. Let's go for its simplification over here. 64. 64 can be written for 32 was 2 power 5, and now it will be 2 power 6. Multiply 5 by 6 over there. Multiply u power 36. Multiply 5 by 6. 6 the 36. So it is say u power 6 5 the 30. 6 gone. 2 power 5. So it is 32 2 power 5 and dot u power 30. 32 u power 30 there. Okay, here he is saying that the number of students in class is the universal set. Okay, G is number of students who study geography and the history. The Venn diagram shows the information about 33 students in class. 13, 7, 20, 8, 28, and 5, 33. Okay. One of the student in the class is picked at random. Find the probability that this student does not study geography, does not study history. Okay, does not study. It means no history, no geography. That will be 5 divided by 33 will be the probability for it. 5 are those who don't study anything. Then it will be 5 divided by 33. Then he is saying studies geography, studies history, both common. Then I will say here in the common that is 13. So I will take 13 over 33. Then he is saying there in the third one step, he is saying 2 of the students who study history are picked at random. Find the probability that one student also studies geography and one student does not study geography. So for that purpose, it means I will have to go to subtract like that. 1 minus 13 over 20 And how many was who study there? Okay, then it will be 12 over 19 minus 7 over 20 into 6 over 19. So if I go for simplification, all of this, let's go for calculator also. Okay, 1 minus bracket start, fraction introduced. 13 multiplied 12 divided by 19 to the 38, 380. 380 minus 6, 7, the 42. I want to introduce the fraction again. So it is 42 divided by, again, 380. Closing the bracket, getting the answer. So it is 1 minus 13 multiplied 12 over 380, 19 to the 38. Okay, 380 minus 42 over 380, that is equal to 7 over 10. Will be the answer for this question over there. Okay, now he is showing little bit algebra over there. As we know, for simplify, h we can take common, then it will be h plus 4. And in the denominator, it is a square minus b square, which can be written as h minus 4a minus b into a plus b, h plus 4. This and this is gone, so it is h over h minus 4 there. Ahmed walks 2 kilometers at a speed of x kilometer per hour. He then walks further x plus 1 kilometer per hour, 3 kilometer for x plus 1 kilometer per hour. The total time he takes to walk 5 kilometer is 1.25. 5 kilometer in 1.25. 2 kilometer at the speed of x. So for the time, t is equal to x over, as we know, the speed is equal to distance over time. So distance is equal to speed. Distance and speed are given. Distance and speed are given. Distance and speed are given. Distance and speed are, I need the time. So time is equal to distance over speed. So distance is 2 over x plus 3 over x plus 1 will equal to 5 kilometer in 1.25 hours. So 4 1 the 4, 4 1 the 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Let's go for a little bit simplification over there, taking the LCM. So it is 2x plus 2 plus 3x is equal to x square plus x. 5 by 4 into x square plus x. Let's go for simplification a little bit. So it is 5x plus 2 should be multiplied by 4. It is 10x square plus 5x. So 10x square plus 5x plus 20x plus 8. Minus 20x plus minus 8. Minus 20x minus 8 equals to 0. So it should be 4, 5 the 20, and it is 5x square plus 5x. 5x square So it is 5x square minus 15x minus 8 equals to 0. So this is the expression which I have made for it. Find the value of x by showing all the working decimals over there. All right. So that is x value I need over there. 5x squared minus 15x minus 8 is equal to 0. 8, 5, the 14. Can I go like that? No. It means I will have to use the quadratic formula. All right. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So it will be minus into minus 15 plus minus under root minus 15 square minus 4 into a is 5 and c is minus 8. Taking the square root over 2 into 5. So it is 15 plus minus under root 2 to 5 plus 5 for the 20 into 8. 160 over 10. Then it is 15 plus minus under root 5 268 213 over 10. And by getting the x value over there, we can simplify it. So 385. Let's check in calculator. That is easy, I think so. We should go for that. So the better option is to go with the calculator here. Let's check what he is giving us. Fraction introduced first of all. 15 plus under root of 385 divided by 10 equals to this equals to 3.46. Let's go for minus also. It means I will have to add this sign. That is minus equals to this equals to minus 0.46. These are the two possible values of x over there. Now he is saying P is the point this, Q is the point this. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So for bisector, it means I will have to go for midpoint first, then to go for gradient also. Let's go for gradient first. M is equal to 6 minus 0 over 20 minus 8. 6 over 14. 3 over 7. This is M. Go for midpoint because you need perpendicular bisector. Midpoint is 8 plus 20 over 2, comma 0 plus 6 over 2. So it is 28 over 2, comma 6 over 2. It is 14, comma 3. So this is the way how to get midpoint. And then you can use the gradient 3 by 7. This is for normal line PQ. We need perpendicular. So we will use M1, M2 equal to minus 1. So this minus 1 is going to be taken as to invert for M2 as a perpendicular bisector. Then it will be minus 7 over 3. So from here, I can use my formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So my m is minus 7 by 3 into x minus 14. And on this side, y minus 3. So arrange the equation making y as a subject over there. Minus 3 should be going also there. Then I will say here y equals to, this 3 is going to be added over there. Then it will become minus 7x and 7 for the 28 and 7 for the 28, 717 and 298 with minus minus plus over 3. Minus 3 is going with plus 3, making 9 over there. So it is equal to minus 7x over 3 plus 98 or plus 9. 107. 107 over 3. So this is the line equation for this question. Okay, here he is saying that y is this, dy by dx is this. Find the values of a, b, and c over there. So if we observe here by taking its LCM, then dy by dx in the form of differentiation, power will come in the start 11x power 10 plus 3b power x power b minus 1. And he has given us value of getting the a value over here. A value here, then we can say he is talking about 11 is a over there. But he is saying here it is 44. So 11 is multiplied by 4. So a is equal to 4. B is making 3 with 3b is 18. So 3b is equal to 18. B is equal to 6 over there. जी ले आओ इधर ही, क्या हुआ? नहीं यार. C is equal to B minus 1 and video is recording. And C is equal to 5. So this was the comparison of differentiation. This was easy, but he has not said to us to use that formula properly over there. Okay. In the last, he is saying the diagram shows a cube. Calculate the angle between the diagonal of AP over there. Oh, that's nice. AP angle we will have to calculate between, because this is a cube diagram. So this is this. We will have to calculate this angle with this over there. We know this is the diagonal. This is the diagonal above. This is the diagonal below. Let's suppose calculate the angle he has said over there. All right. This is also a right angle triangle over there. This is 90. And the angle, if I want to talk about it, if it is x, it is x. Then x square plus x square, 2x square means it is under root 2x. This is x also. I want to calculate this angle. So tan theta is equal to x over under root 2x. X is gone over here. Theta is equal to tan inverse 1 over under root 2 over there. Tan inverse 1 over under root 2. Shift tan, fraction introduced, 1 over under root 2, bracket close, equals to 35.26. 35.26. So this is your whole paper, paper 4, variant 2, according to IGCSE over there. And I will suggest you all that try to solve all the questions in detail. And in the next paper, which is coming in October, November, like that. Till that, this is the most latest paper. Kindly subscribe my channel and try to share, like, and